Now, y'all know what time it is. We got the Backbone Pro mobile gaming controller. This is the Xbox edition. Now, I'm going to tell you what, man. We're going to find out if this thing is actually better than a Steam Deck. I'm not going to get my hopes up. We're just going to get the wrapper off of it, and we're going to take a look at it, man. Also, I got to say, this thing is actually pretty expensive. The original Backbone was for like $100 when it came out. This thing's almost $200. So, yeah, I mean, we'll see if this is an upgrade. We'll see if it's cool. We'll see if it works. And I'll give you my opinion on if it's better than using a Steam Deck. But I think you guys already know my opinion on that. But struggling to get out of the box here, man. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. All right. Here. Ooh, it looks nice. All right, so it's kind of like a transparent green going on. Let's get it out of the box. Honestly, though, guys, feels good. Looks good. Hold up to the camera. Let's open it up. Let's show you a couple different angles on it, man. But I do like the transparent green. It definitely has that, you know, Xbox feel, I guess, to it. So, you know, whatever. Let's see what we get in the box here. It looks like a bunch of nothing. It's really just the controller. But, you know, Backbone controllers, for the most part, you know, when I used the original one, I never had any issues with it, especially like when new games would come out, it would always work. So, you know, I'd expect the same for this. Now, there is an app for this controller. You don't need to download it to get it working. And, oh, yeah, here we go, man. All right, so I just want to do a couple games real quick for you guys on it. But we got some Asphalt 8, man. It's a classic. You can kind of just see, man, definitely works smooth, feels good, you know. And we're doing this right here. Oh, we're smashing cars right here, man. You know, for $180, though, I got to say, it is a little bit pricey. Like, I'm not going to deny that. I honestly think for a lot of these gaming controllers, spending $100 is probably good enough. I mean, but like I said, the Backbone ones typically, and that's one of the things you got to look for in these controllers, is like, are they going to work when new games come out and like iOS updates or just updates in general for whatever, you know? I do have the iPhone version here for the Backbone. I think this also comes in Android as well, but got some World War Z here shooting some zombies, and I'm actually going to get into a little bit more of this. We're going to go for the full screen here in a second on World War Z because the game is pretty ridiculous, Brian. And yeah, but here's what I'm going to say, man. This thing is obviously not better than owning a Steam Deck, but if you want to game on your phone, I think it's probably worth it, man. A little bit of an investment. Nice thing about these are that they typically last for, you know, at least like 2 to 3 years. All right, just a little heads up. When I'm not gaming or eating chicken tenders, I'm on Ignition 4 to 5 times per week. You know, the games here are soft and easy to beat at both low and mid stakes. If you're looking to stack some chips and dips, definitely recommend them. There's going to be some resources below in the pinned comment. And yeah, if you want to learn more about it or whatever, we'll have some resources in the pinned comment. Plus, if you guys want to get in our group, which we launched recently, we'll have that down there as well. But let's do some World War Z. Also, you guys could tap the like as I'm kind of just chopping down some zombies right now, man. We're going to do this.
Yeah, 2 of them.
All right, so we are in Tokyo right now, okay? And we're, you know. So I just had it going on the Backbone. I just wanted to go full screen with it. You know, let's just get some of these zombies, man. Let's go.
I'd say just give her another one of those mac and cheeses for
lunch. They're just kind of coming at us, man. It's World War Z. We're getting Z'd up. All right, man. Come on now.
I don't know. I didn't even know they sell that shit.
Let's keep going this way.
I have no idea.
So we got a little co-op going right now. Pushing through Tokyo, and it's like, dude,
I didn't realize, I was like,
we're just trying to find some,
and then I looked at it and I was like,
what are we going to do in Tokyo?
I was like, what the hell?
I was going to say get some egg rolls or something, man. Like, we're going to go get some egg rolls in Tokyo or some noodles, man. Some noodles and some egg rolls, man. And, you know, we're trying to walk down the street, and it's just filled with zombies. Like, what's going on? You know? Are there any shops open right now? Kind of hungry.
I'm doing something.
Kind of hungry as I'm, you know, shooting some. I mean, if you're shooting zombies, obviously you're going to get a little bit hungry. You know what I mean? So, you know, it is kind of a shame we're in Tokyo. Everything's closed. It's only zombies. And, you know, we're just kind of making our way through. All right, let's go this way. Uh-oh. All right, we got a horde coming at us. I'm gonna try to hide a little bit. I need some ammo, too. I'm pretty much out using the pistol. It's not good. Looks like I got about 90, though, on my ammo. All right, let's go back this way. Oh, man, what are you doing? Nice try there. Yeah, we're taking these zombies down right now. They don't know what's going on. A couple more over here. Oh no, I'm completely out of ammo. That's hilarious. All right, let's go this way. Don't want to run out of ammo, I'll tell you that much. But we'll figure something. Ooh, let's chop this guy. We do have the machete. I didn't let you know that, but we do have a machete right here, so we can use this as we're trying to find some ammo. All right, looks like they're gonna put us back with our team in a second here, though, so it's all good. But here's the deal, guys. I would definitely recommend watching this a little bit longer because, you know, if you haven't played a lot of this game before, man, it is available on cloud gaming, so you can play it on the Backbone. You know, on iOS or Android. It's also available on the Steam store if you're repping a Steam Deck. But yeah, I mean, the Xbox controller, the edition for the Backbone, it's cool. The price is a little bit up there. At the end of the day, it's going to be reliable. It's going to last like 2 to 3 years, and you know, it is what it is. But yeah, man, sit back and continue watching if you're, you know, enjoying me kind of just plow through some of these zombies, because it's going to get a lot better. Tap that like, man. Check out that pinned comment. Let's continue running it.
Reloading! Don't shoot me! Found a breaching charge!
Throwing a grenade! Grenade going out!
They're coming in! They're coming in! Keep your eyes peeled. Something's off.
Heads up. I see it hiding.
See one hiding! Cover me! I'm reloading! Hey! Watch your head! Bring him on!
I see a big one! I see a big one! Look at that bummer!
Baker's dead!
Get it off!
Focus fire on the big one! They should be running from me! Watch your fire! You don't stand a chance! Reload!
Loading fresh
They're all
ammo!
down!
Kill the screamer! Fast! Pick up the loud one! A lot better than nothing.
Kill the screamer! Reloading!
Loading fresh ammo!
Machine gun is ready! I found the defense kit! Barbed wire in position!
Barbed wire in place!
Cover me! I'm reloading!
I'm out! I'm out!
I can make this work.
Reload!
Why aren't we moving, Rescue Leader?
Road barriers keep civilians from jamming the port. We can lower them. I know there's a control panel nearby.
All right.
I got it! That doesn't sound right!
The car and the barrier. It's slowing slowly, but it's working.
We are not getting out of here without a fight.
Defense it. Use whatever you can find.
Bring them on!
Reloading! Reloading!
Reload! Reload! Hold your ground! Don't let them reach the bus!
Get it out!
Getting off of me! Marker down! Oh, I need to be more careful. Be ready for me!
Mowing them down. Loading fresh ammo. Loading fresh ammo.
Watch your aim! Reloading! That's one bigger! Reload! Behind you! Hazmat suit is on the ground! Did you ever see anything like that? Spin my eye!
Don't let the bomber get down.
Reloading! Inspector!